either side for the sari in short and long way. We check the top portion. We've got self borders with contrast pallu and contrast blouse for this, along with the geometrical patterns which we've seen in the top portions. We can see this nice geometrical patterns and chakram patterns along with this creepers along with the pallu and blouse. This combination is got a very elegant and beautiful border. Hello everyone, welcome to RK Collections. This is Sushmita. If you are watching us for the first time, please to subscribe to our channel and to click on bell icon to get notified immediately so that you can watch our latest collections up to date. So in today's new arrivals, we are going to see these beautiful tissue Kalanjali sarees with contrast borders, self borders and embroidered patterns. If you wish to buy these beautiful sarees, kindly follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, please check the code which is being displayed on the screen while showcasing the saree. Step number 2, please click on the link which is given in the description box of the particular code. That will directly take you to the page of your favorite saree. Step number 3, please add your favorite saree to the cart and your checkout. Please note, cash on delivery and WhatsApp purchase is not available at RK Collections. If you have any queries and questions, please do reach out to our customer support team. We will be more than glad to assist you. Let's start the episode now. This is the first saree, first pattern in today's episode which we are going to see. A very beautiful zari kota saree in gold tissue. Let's check the saree now. We've got short and long borders in gold either side. If we check the top portion, we've got this beautiful geometrical zari woven patterns in 3 sets going throughout the top portion. Let's check the body now. We can see this beautiful weave zari running throughout the saree, and on top of it we can see this subtly embroidered flower patterns running throughout the saree in contrast colors of maroons, pinks and different other colors. If you check the pleats area, we've got the embroidery only at the bottom half. Let's check the bottom border now. We've got this huge border woven in gold zari. We can see these beautiful huge flowers and creeper pattern running throughout the bottom portion along with the geometrical patterns which we've seen in the top portion. That's the border. If we check the pallu, we've got this short and sweet pallu mixed with different zari with tassels done in the bottom. This has got this plain tissue blouse, a very beautiful blouse with borders either side. Priced at 1210 only. And in this pattern we've got one more beautiful saree, a same body but with a different border. Let's check that now. This is the second saree in the first pattern. The same body going on with different borders. If we check the borders, we've got this beautiful geometrical patterns of drop design and box design along with the khadi zari running throughout the top portion, with body being the same with subtly embroidered flower patterns. We check the bottom. We've got this nice flower pattern along with the same border which we've seen in the top section continued in the bottom as well. That's the bottom section. We check the pallu. We've got this beautiful pallu, a zari woven pallu, with the blouse being a plain blouse, a tissue blouse with those borders either side. Priced at 1210. Let's check the second pattern available in today's episode. This is the second pattern in today's episode, a very beautiful tissue Kalanjali sarees. This is the first saree and the first color combination is this bright and beautiful royal blue with maroon red. Let's check the saree. We've got the self borders either side for the saree in short and long way. We check the top portion. We've got this nice flowers and creeper pattern woven in gold zari running throughout the saree along with these temple zari weaves. That's the border. And this is the body, a very heavy brocade body throughout the saree. We can see this wavy pattern running throughout the saree in 2 zaris, gold and silver. The gold being in the pattern of temples and the silver we have this tiny dot style throughout the saree. Saree looks very heavy, and this is the best part of the saree, a very heavy bottom border of 14 to 15 inches. We can see this nice geometrical patterns and chakram patterns along with this creeper style and flower pattern in multiple borders running throughout the saree, throughout the bottom portion. Let's check the pallu now. we've got this beautiful and bright pallu in maroon red with this richly woven zari pallu. We've got silvers and gold zari woven throughout the pallu. Let's check the blouse. That's the blouse, a very heavy brocade blouse with this huge borders either side. And this beautiful sari is just priced at 1980. In this sari pattern, we've got much more color combinations in contrast borders and self borders. Let's check them now. Let's check the color combinations available. This is the second color combination of beautiful rama green with yellow. We've got self borders with contrast pallu and contrast blouse for this. And the second color combination is this bright lemon yellow with copper sulphate blue. That's the sari. Self borders with contrast pallu and blouse. This is the next color combination, a very classic color combination of off-white with red. That's the sari, a very beautiful sari with self borders and contrast pallu and blouse. Let's check the next color combination. In this pattern, we've got this contrast borders along with the pallu and blouse. This combination is a very classy combination of green with red. That's the sari. And the next color combination is this bright and traditional color combination of fuchsia pink with peach. Contrast borders along with the pallu and blouse. Let's check the next color combination. This timeless color combination of red with bottle green. The borders are in dual shade mixed with red and green. And the last color combination is, this is the color combination of very pretty green with fuchsia pink. That's the sari. So that's all for the second pattern. We've seen beautiful color combinations and self borders in this second pattern. If you don't prefer these tissues, you may even check for the different fabric in our website in Kalanjali category. Please to take some time and check out the entire collection available in our website. The similar collection is available in our stores as well. Please to visit our stores to shop your favorite collection at wholesale prices only. Let's check for the third pattern available in today's episode. This is the third pattern in today's episode. This beautiful silver tissue saris with contrast borders. And this is the first sari in the contrast color of pink. Let's check the sari now. If you check, we've got this 3 to 4 inch border in the top in contrast pink with beautiful silver weaves in honeycomb pattern. That's the body, a silver tissue body with these nice flower bunches embroidered in different contrast colors and silver zari throughout the sari. At the pleats area, we've got this embroidery towards the bottom half. Let's check the border now. We've got a very elegant and beautiful border. This will be around 14 to 15 inches border in contrast pink. We can see these nice mangoes and flower patterns woven in silver zari running throughout the bottom portion, along with this nice honeycomb pattern which we've seen in the top section continuing in the bottom as well. Let's check the pallu. We've got the short and sweet pallu, a mixed pallu of silver and pink. Let's check the blouse now. The blouse is a pink tissue blouse with this beautiful borders either side. That's the blouse. Priced at 1480. Let's check the color combinations available in this pattern. Let's check the next color combination. This very rich, beautiful silver with bright orange. That's the sari. We've got this huge border in the bottom. And the third color combination is silver with bright lemon yellow. So we've got this nice contrast embroidered booties throughout the sari. And the last color combination is this pretty parrot green with tissue. We've got short pallus for this. So that's all for today's episode. We've seen much more beautiful color combinations and self borders in today's tissue Kalanjali sarees. If you wish to buy, please log on to www.rkcollections.in. We have similar collection available in our stores as well. We've got 4 stores across Hyderabad. 2 are in KPHP Kukatpalli, 1 in the name of RK Selections. The 3rd store is in Dilshuk Nagar near Konark Theatre. The 4th store is in Kottapet near Victoria Memorial Metro Station. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next episode. Namaste.
ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీకు షాప్ ఉండి మీ బిజినెస్ని కనుక మా ఛానల్స్లో ప్రమోట్ చేయించుకోవాలనుకుంటే కనుక ఈ క్రింది ఉన్నటువంటి నెంబర్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి మీరు వాట్సాప్ చేయొచ్చండి. సో డెఫినెట్గా మేమే వచ్చి మీకు షూట్ చేసి ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాము.